Test week is upon us and I am a Map C tutor. The reason I'm doing this is in order to help my skills as a tutor become better, but to also just help fellow students who feel like they need that extra help to prepare them for their upcoming tests. Today we're going to be covering absolute values, okay? With an example from a test paper. Just to remember, guys, is that these two lines, right? I like to think of them as a gate. Whatever number that is positive, that is between these two lines, when they eventually come out of the gate, they stay positive. Okay, you don't need to change them. Nothing happens to them. Your final answer can stay positive. Whatever answer you get, and if it ends up being negative between these two lines, right? It's important to note that you cannot just take it as it is and leave it like that. This is wrong, okay, when it comes to absolute values. You have to change the negative number into a positive number. So we're just changing the signs, okay? Now I'm going to show you with an example. We have 4 over 3 minus 7 over 3 in between the two gates, okay? Plus 8 plus, again, the two gates, negative 7, okay? Now we're going to solve everything in between the two gates, the two lines, before we add everything together. So first things first, we're going to start from the left. 4 over 3 minus 7 over 3. They have a common denominator, so we can solve them. 4 minus 7 is going to give us negative 3 over 3. And we bring down plus 8, we bring down plus line, negative 7 line. Okie dokie. Now, 3 divided by 3 is going to give us 1, guys. So this ends up being negative 1. Okay? Plus 8 plus negative 7. In order for me to take 1 out of the gates, out of the two lines, I need to change its sign to positive 1. Plus 8 plus. Now, I already told you cannot take a negative number outside of these gates. They do not allow negative people into their club, okay? Only positive. So we have to change that to positive 7. Now we can add everything together. So 1 plus 8 is going to give us 9 plus 7, going to give us 16. And there we go. That is how you would tackle this equation if you saw it in a test. I hope this makes sense. I hope this will be helpful. Good luck to everyone writing.